VUZI stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in a short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Vuzix Corporation, it's a good 2.5% increase in price, from which I'm like, I was like, you can see I had lines pointing towards the upside, which meant, you know, I was bullish and whatnot, and we most definitely right now started clearing the highs out. Now this overall trend for me, to be very clear, I'm still just trying to find my way into this long side, but what I'm not going to do is randomly start buying, you know. So I'm going to stick to, like, I've gotten thousands of quick predictions over the last 4 years, spent thousands of courses and mentors, documented everything. So exactly how this is going to look like is this. Now it really depends if either it's going to be like intraday or picking over a couple of days time periods, and you however you want to trade this. But I myself, like, doesn't matter as long as I see my proper shift, then and only then I'm going to take things up. So yeah, I'm going to continue to keep you updated, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.